So guys, if you are getting the adblock has been detected message even though you don't have any adblocker installed or you have already removed the adblocker extension from your PC, this usually means some leftover files are still present on your system. So you need to manually check a few possible locations to remove any remaining adblock files. First, open your file explorer and go to C drive. Now open Program Files and Program Files x86 folder. Check for any folders named adblock or adblocker. If you find any related folders, delete them permanently. Next, press Windows key plus R, type local app data and press enter. This will open the local folder. Here again, check for any adblock or adblocker folders and delete them if found. After that, open the temp folder and delete all temporary files. If you get an access deny error, close all open programs and try again. Once you complete these steps, the problem should be fixed immediately. Thanks for watching, stay safe.